Hi guys! Today, we save a 4K video from CapCut to the gallery. First, open the CapCut app on your phone. Once the app opens, look at the bottom right corner where you'll see the Projects option. This is where all your edited videos are stored. Simply tap on Projects to open your list of videos and find the one you want to export. After opening Projects, you'll see all your saved projects. Scroll through the list and tap on the project you want to export. This will open the video in the editing screen, ready for exporting in high resolution. Once your project is open, look at the top right corner where you'll see an AI icon. Tap the drop-down arrow next to it. This will open more options for export settings like resolution and frame rate. In the resolution settings, you'll see options to adjust the video quality. Drag or select the resolution up to 4000 to ensure your video is exported in the highest quality available. This step is important for keeping your video crisp and clear. After setting the resolution to 4K, go back to the top right corner and tap the Export button. CapCut will process your video and save it directly to your gallery in 4K. Now, your video is ready to share or watch in full high definition. And that's how you can easily save a 4000 video from CapCut to your gallery. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe for more editing tips and also leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video.